This tutorial is on how to skip to post-contract for awarded sub-package. First log into eProject system. Then go to Main Project. Click the BuildSpace Pro logo. Go to Sub-Packages. Create a sub-package title. Single-click title and click Assign Subcontractors. Go to Import/Export sub-package. Select Export BuildSpace file and click Without Rates. Click Download. Back to eProject tab. Click Project. Go to the same project and click Sub-Packages. Click Add, choose File and upload the downloaded subcon file. Then click Add. Select your own company and click Save. Next click at BuildSpace Pro icon. To import subcon Excel BQ, first, you need to create a bill. Click Add Bill. Select Normal Bill. Then fill in the information and click Save. The next step is to import subcon Excel BQ. But before that, you need to make a few adjustments at your Excel BQ. Now open your Excel. The first step is to delete the item, description, unit, quantity, rate and amount row. The first row of your BQ must be your element title. The second step is to delete total amount row. You also need to delete any continued header in the BQ. And the last step is to delete the collection page. All of the rows that were deleted will actually auto-generate in the system. Make sure between two item description is separated with an empty row. Now back to BuildSpace Pro. To import, go to Import from Files and click Import from Excel. Then click Select File and select the edited file. Before that, you need to match the column based on the BQ Excel. Description under column C, unit under column D, quantity under column E, and rates under column F. Now back to BuildSpace Pro and fill in the information. And click Import. Select the elements you want to import. If you want to include the rates and quantity, click on the checkbox. And click Import. To view the content, double-click the bill. At this level will be all your elements. You can also amend your element description. Double-click to view all the items. At your item level, you can still amend the description, type, unit, quantity, and rate. Now back to project breakdown. Once you already finalize the BQ, click Publish to Tender. Click Publish. You cannot amend your BQ once you publish it to tender. Now click at BuildSpace icon and select Tendering. The BQ is now at tendering stage. Double-click the subcon BQ. At this stage, select the awarded contractor for this tender. First, go to View Tenderer. Click Tender Settings. Then you manually select the awarded contractor from the list. Then click Save. Go to Action and click Select to award this contractor. Click Back to Tendering. Before push this tender to post-contract, you need to set a verifier to approve this process. To set up the verifier, back to eProject. Go to Users and click Contract Management. At Modules, select Publish to push contract, then go to Action and select Users. Click at the checkbox to select users from the list and click Assign. Then back to Action and click Assign Verifiers. Select the verifiers from the list. You can also add additional verifiers by clicking the Add button. Click Assign. Now the verifier has already been set up. Back to BuildSpace Pro tab. Click Push to post contract. Then go to Publish. Select estimation rates and click with, or, without not listed items. Next is to fill in all the contract information. Items with asterisk symbol is mandatory to be filled. This includes the contract type, LA number, contract period, trade and also the retention section. At the retention section, it is optional to include VO or material on site for retention. To include, just click at the checkbox. Then save. Now back to eProject tab to approve this BQ to push to post-contract. Click at Projects. Then at the to-do list you can see pending task to be viewed. Select the same project and click View. Then click Inspect to view the detail BQ. Then you can view the project information summary or click at Breakdown to view BQ content. Once you finalize with the analysis you can click Approve or Reject. Then back to eProject tab. Click Projects. Then back to your main project and click Sub-Packages. Now your sub-package is already at post-contract, you can proceed with your sub-con claims. Click Open Project. You can view your contract information and up-to-date claim information at the project dashboard. To prepare claims, click at the BuildSpace Pro icon. Here you can view your BQ information. To update claims, first, go to Claim Certificate. Click Activate Claim Certificate. Then fill in the claim certificate information. The most important part is to key in the person preparing this claim certificate. Then click Save. Now the status is in progress. Click Project Breakdown. To update claim, double-click Bill. Here you can rename the unit if you want to. Then double-click to go to the element level. Here you can see all the list of elements. You can update element claims by percentage. And also update in amount, either way it will auto-calculate the percentage and amount. If you want to update by items, double-click any of the elements. At this level you can see all of the items. Since we already updated at the element level, it applies to all of the items of this element. To update item claims, single-click any of the item. Then you can update by percentage. Or quantity. And also amount. Once you finalize with the claim updates, back to Project Breakdown. Then click Reload to view the overall update amount. Then you can see the percentage claim based on the overall total amount. If you have any variation order to add on, double-click Variation Order. Then key in the description of VO. You can upload attachments if you have any supporting documents. Now double-click this VO. Here you key in your addition or omissions items. Then key in your unit, rate, omission or additional items. If there are items to be omitted from BQ, click Omit from Bills. Then select the items from your BQ to be omitted. Once you already select the item, click Import. Then you can see the omission amount and addition amount for the VO. Back to Variation Order. Now you can view the net omission, addition for VO1. Once you already finalize with the VO, click at Preparing and select Pending. You can set a verifier to approve this, but for this tutorial without a verifier. Now the status is approved. Back to Project Breakdown. Click Reload. Here you can see the overall total of variation order. Assuming that you already finalize with this claim, go to Claim Certificate. You can preview the claim certificate info before submitting. Click Print. Here you can view all the claim information that you have updated, the new contract sum including VO and your current work done. Now back to claim certificate information and click Submit. And click Yes. Now the claim number 1 is already approved. You can also view the final account statement. At Project Breakdown, click Final Account Statement. To update claims for your VO first, double-click Variation Order. Then double-click VO number 1. Go to Claim Revision. Click Add New Claim. Click Yes. Now this VO claim is in progress. Back to Variation Order items. Then update the progress claim for this VO. Once you finalize with the claim, back to Claim Revision. But before that, you need to activate the claim certificate. Go to Status, click Locked and press Enter. You can see this claim is bind to claim cert number 2. Back to claim certificate. And click Submit. You can actually prepare your BQ claim and VO claim concurrently before submitting the claim.